As cities like Pune grow rapidly, green spaces shrink, leaving wildlife struggling to survive. My study focuses on how these green spaces, no matter how small, can support bird diversity and improve urban health.
Urban green spaces vary widely in size, structure, and quality. Larger patches are often seen as biodiversity hubs, but smaller patches are more common in cities and have the potential to contribute to urban biodiversity. This study focuses on understanding how factors like patch size, structural complexity, and fragmentation affect bird diversity, aiming to explore the ways to optimize the ecological value of smaller green spaces in urban environments.
To understand how green space characteristics and fragmentation influence bird diversity, I followed a step by step approach.
Firstly, a diverse range of green spaces in Pune were identified, ensuring variation in size, structure, and levels of fragmentation. Then, patch size and connectivity were quantified through fragmentation analysis using FragStats. Using GIS tools, mapping of these areas and analysis of spatial patterns and connectivity was performed. In the field, early morning bird surveys were conducted to record species richness and abundance. Finally, statistical models help link these observations to patch size, structure, and fragmentation, revealing patterns in bird diversity across the sites. The research revealed that larger patches like Vital Hills support more bird species because they offer undisturbed habitats. Structurally enriched small patches like Pashan Lake can also support significant diversity, showing that quality matters as much as size, while urban gardens with poor structure show that significantly lower bird diversity, emphasizing the importance of structural enrichment. To create more stronger, adaptable cities, we need to focus on enhancing urban green spaces. Small patches of green can be transformed into thriving mini wildernesses by adding layers of vegetation such as shrubs, trees, and ground cover. Connecting these patches through corridors like roadside tree, greens rooftop, and community gardens allow wildlife to move freely and flourish.
My research shows that protecting and enhancing green spaces, no matter how small, can help biodiversity thrive, improve environmental health, and make our cities more resilient. By working together, we can shape cities that support both people and nature.